In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the CapCut templates on PC. So once you open your CapCut application on PC, you'll find an example. Normally, if you see a lot of videos, you'll find on this left panel, they tell you, oh, you should find your templates here on this left panel, and you should be able to click on it. But for some reason, a lot of people didn't find it. So basically, you should not find it here, or you'll not find it here in the application. What you'll need to do is open a browser, whatever browser you want, and simply you can go to CapCut right there. So go to CapCut.com. Once you do so, this should take you into the CapCut's website right away. And here's an example, you should be logged in into an account. If you're not logged in, you should be taken in such a website as an example, and you should be just click on try online, not download. And from here, you'll be able to log in into an account. Very simple. You can use Google, TikTok, Facebook, as an example, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. And here on this left panel, as you can see, you'll find this templates button. So from here, you'll be able to get the CapCut templates. So once you click on it, as an example, you'll find a lot of templates for videos and images. Of course, you can also search for the templates that you want in here. Of course, as an example, if you're logged into the same account in your CapCut, anything that you have in your space will stay or will remain. So if you go to your CapCut online and make sure to the template that you like to add it to your space, as an example here, so just add it to your space or save it to your space. You can also just go here and have access to it without any problems. So as you can see, anything that you have here is anything that you have here. So go to the template that you want. For example, let's say you like this one. You can just go and click on it and click on use this template. And simply from here, let's just wait for it until it loads. We will have to go and yeah, I don't want any help. Of course, I can just go back here also to template to change it if I want to. Now, if I go back to the home page, let's just say, for example, go back to the home page, and in here, of course, you'll need to go to this list panel, recent drafts, and as you can see, you should find it here. So what you'll need to do as an example, you'll be able to share it as an example if you want with some your spaces as an example or with other people, totally up to you. And as you can see, it's also like here in the my space. So now I can go here and close as example the CapCut and open it up again. Or no need, I can just go to my space, and as you can see, I should find the template right here. But as an example, I will not be able to open it right here, right now. If I go and click on it, it will open it in the browser. I will have to go here and click on download. But as you can see, they'll tell me that couldn't download projects. It's just from the CapCut web. So you can just use it in the web, as you can see, and you'll not be able to use it in the website, or sorry, the application. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.